Hello, everyone. Welcome to Prompt Engineering. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you, the installation of the ChatGPT API. If you're ready to dive into the world of AI-powered chatbots, you're in the right place. Our journey begins with Step 1, Python installation. To get started, make sure you have Python installed on your system. If not, don't worry, I'll guide you through the process. Begin by launching your preferred web browser and entering www.python.org into the address bar. Press Enter to proceed. Next, navigate your cursor to the Downloads section and select the version of Python you'd like to install. The website typically recommends the latest version, which is generally the best choice. Once the installation file is downloaded to your computer, locate it in your Downloads folder and double-click to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions provided. After the installation is complete, open the terminal within your VS Code editor. Type Python version and press Enter to check the installed Python version. It should display the Python language version. If it doesn't show the version, consider reinstalling Python and then verifying the version again. Once Python is up and running, we're ready for Step 2, PIP Installation. Step 2, PIP installation is crucial for managing Python packages. Let's ensure you have the latest PIP version installed. Create a new folder with a name of your choice. Let's call it Python for this example, launch versus code, and open the folder. Access the terminal and enter the following commands. Begin by downloading the package using command mentioned on the screen. Also, available in the description. Execute the downloaded file with command mentioned on the screen. Also, available in the description. Wait for the installation process to complete and ensure that the terminal displays the successfully installed pip XXXX message as confirmation. To verify the installation, you can check the versions using commands mentioned on the screen. Also, available in the description. Now that we have Python and PIP in place, let's move on to Step 3, OpenAI installation. In Step 3, we'll install the OpenAI library, which allows us to access the ChatGPT API. It's a breeze, just follow along. Install OpenAI Python library using command mentioned on the screen. Also, available in the description. Step 4 is all about generating your API key from OpenAI. This key is your passport to interact with ChatGPT. Generate API key from OpenAI. I'll show you how to create your API key securely. Remember to keep it safe. Visit the OpenAI website at https://openai.com. Log into your OpenAI portal. Select the API option from the menu. Navigate to the upper right-hand corner and click on the user icon. Choose the View API Key option. Click on Generate a new secret key. Provide optional name of the key. Copy the generated secret key and securely store it in a safe location. Finally, in Step 5, we'll run our first prompt using the ChatGPT API. It's the moment you've been waiting for. Run your first prompt. I'll walk you through the process, and we'll see ChatGPT in action. Begin by launching VS Code and find the Python folder within the VS Code editor. File-Open folder. Locate Python folder, click on Open. Inside the Python folder, create a Python file named main.py. Open the main.py file and configure the environment variable OpenAI_API_key with your API key, which should be stored securely from a previous step. Now, import the OpenAI library and any other necessary libraries for your project. You can paste them from description. Next, paste the get_completion function from your project description. You don't need to worry about the internal logic. This piece of Python code will handle the task for you. In this video, we'll be using the GPT 3.5 Turbo version of the ChatGPT API. Let's write a prompt to extract the details about the books in JSON format. Our prompt, enclosed within triple quotes and using the F-string format, is set up on the screen. It is available in the description. Install VS Code Pylons extension from the extension menu. This is an extension in order to run your prompt. Now, to run your code, click on the triangular Run Python file icon. Wait for some time and you can observe the output in the terminal. This approach allows you to experiment with different delimiters for your prompt text, such as backticks, dashes, brackets, or other tags for formatting as needed. You can find a link to download the main.py file in the video description below. Just click the provided link to access the file. That's it. You've successfully installed the ChatGPT API and run your first prompt. Congratulations! Thank you for joining us today on Prompt Engineering. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting AI-related content. Stay curious, stay innovative, and keep exploring the world of AI. Until next time.